Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make a pork farm in Minecraft. First, gather your essential materials, including building blocks, fences, and a water bucket. Next, select a suitable location for your farm, ensuring ample space for future expansion. Begin by constructing a basic enclosure to safely contain your pigs. This initial setup is crucial for a successful and productive farm, providing a secure environment for your livestock. Once your enclosure is ready, start breeding pigs by feeding them carrots, potatoes, or beetroots. This will rapidly increase your pig population. Next, implement an automated collection system using hoppers placed beneath the killing area, leading into chests. This setup ensures that all dropped pork and experience orbs are efficiently gathered. Make sure the collection chests are easily accessible for you to retrieve your valuable resources. To automate pork production, design a mechanism that slaughters adult pigs while leaving piglets unharmed. A common method involves using lava blades or suffocation traps, which are highly efficient. This ensures a continuous supply of cooked pork chops if lava is used, or raw pork if suffocation is preferred. Optimizing the farm's design for maximum output will significantly reduce your manual effort and boost your resource income. Maintaining your pork farm is key to its long-term success. Regularly check for any block damage or potential escape routes for your pigs. Expand your farm as needed to accommodate a larger population, ensuring continued high yields. For more tips and tricks, check the description below for links to other helpful videos and deals. Also, if you're tired of flimsy socks, you'll find a link there for some incredibly durable ones with a lifetime warranty. They are a game changer.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.